It looks crazy. Simple install.
Putting on a wicker bill, as you can see, we've got a Zl1.
Zl1 Addons wicker bill. Go ahead. Yes, sir.
Something like that. What we're gonna do, the goal here is to actually drill each one of these. As you can see, we've actually marked these down right here.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill a pilot hole, right? And basically, bloody hell did I do with the drill?
They forgot to send me my rivet gun. Had to go buy one.
Shame on you.
And for some another reason, I don't have a hole somewhere. But everybody else got a hole here, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. We got the holes already where we're gonna drill at. We got a 1/16 bit for a pilot hole. We got a 3/8 for the actual thing. We got the rivet gun. We got all the hardware. I don't use power tools.
Isn't that a little bad that you don't use power tools? Shouldn't you have experience?
Very freaking slow. This going, they probably do. I want to start from over here. For some reason, I just don't want to start right here.
Bro, just start in the middle.
We're gonna start off real slow. This joint do hurt me. Oh my god.
Bro, you gotta push, bro.
I know, I'm scared.
God.
What?
But what is?
Don't say nothing loud.
Alright,
Alright, so we're gonna start this way because the rivet.
Hold on, let me make sure you get this joint in the yamin. You got
it in there for me.
That's what she said. Alright, go ahead.
Start off real slow.
God damn, bro. Oh my god. Not a good way to start this off. Okay, alright. Alright. Listen,
it's the tape. Bro, we gotta finish it. We already started, we gotta finish it.
Are you pop?
Alright, so for whatever reason we keep running issues with these holes, but we getting through it. I don't know why.
We keep running the issues with these hoes.
We got that rib nut in. We measure everything up.
Chill, I got this.
Come on, 2 hands like you just said.
Bro, it's a lot of weird heads going on, bro.
Alright, there we go. Oh, I see what you're doing there. He going in and out.
Bro,
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 more on the other side.
Sturdy.
Should be easy.
Sturdy.
You also gotta make sure
I got it.
you bore the holes out because the rivets don't fit exactly.
All right, so we gotta do it a little bit more.
How you doing that is you just go taking your drill, your 3/8, going in there.
Go around in a circle.
Going around in a circle. A little bit at a time, and then you checking.
Pop goes the
There you
weasel.
go, right there. Perfect. Perfect. We're gonna make sure everything's cool with these. We're gonna start the pilots for all the rest of them. And then peel all this tape off, drill all the holes. I mean, that should be it, really. What we doing here, we got these 2 holes already in, rivets in and all that. But we making the pilot holes for all the rest, as you can see. While these are up, so it's perfectly lined.
Put this little thing right here.
Mm-hmm.
Proceed to drill. Just like that.
All right, professional.
That
Drilling them joints quick.
That one comes right out.
That one comes right out.
That one goes right in.
Dadgummit.
Just like that.
Hold up.
Been putting in wicker bills since I was like 2.
These was out when you was 2?
These was out. These was out when I was 2.
Where do you drift at?
I believe the 5th. Because if I say city streets, then I'm breaking the local laws.
Oh, the wicker bill on it. The rivets look good.
You grab yourself a rivet?
Grab you one.
You push that.
Go and grab you one then. Go and grab it then.
Go and grab it then, boy.
Well, almost finished product. It's a little. Oh wait, we just need the middle piece now. That's what we forgot.
We still got to unpill
it. Yeah, we got to pill it and all that. Finished product. All we did is unpeel everything. We didn't show that part because I was having too much fun unpeeling. It was dirty, so I had to come and give it a wash. It's about to look beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna make y'all sit through the washing of it, so we'll just do it like this. 3, 2, 1. That's the finished product right there. That look mean as hell.
I didn't mean to do that.
I probably did a bad job of explaining how to install it. But if I did a good job, let me know. If I did a bad job, let me know. It is what it is, I'm sorry. That's it. More stuff to come. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it. Have a nice day.